Put the design in play. You're going to the grocery store to get dinner tonight. You still got kids the rest of the week. Why don't you go ahead and go to the store and get planning for the week? Why don't you get a grocery budget? Why don't you look at the bigger picture and put systems in play that'll operate? And that's to this. You're doing the work. You're in the places in conversation. Seeing the absence of something. Being in the no is being in the conversation for the yes to transform it. Okay, what's missing? What needs to be put in? What needs to be taken out? Putting structures, things like this in place. Showing up to a call like this so it can be called out. You're dealing with month to month and right now this week because the diligent effort, the structures in play, the habits don't build for. We say for you short term is this week. That's exactly right. When short term is 6 months, what am I doing this quarter? What am I doing this 6 months? What am I doing this year is your short term. This next 12 months is your short term. And 3 to 5 years is your long term. And that's when I said even possible that 10 to 15 years, what life is going to look like. All those things are going to happen anyway. So do you want to be 46 like, shit, there's nothing here in the bag? Still figuring out month to month, hoping it gets better. All it takes is a plan and effectiveness. I'm going to have my rent paid up 3 months in advance. I'm going to be paying this much a month and following through to execute that until power is a measurement and velocity at which you can take thought into fruition. That is how powerful you are. To be a masculine man is to build in yourself and build your power, your effectiveness, your ability to move things in reality, like your lifestyle. That's why nobody gives a fuck. And I don't mean nobody on this call. Life does not give a fuck about masculine's complaints. Yep, life be lifing. Who the fuck you gonna be? This is what we're all dealing with. This is what the situation is. There are no handouts. You gotta go get the shit. And if you want a future that looks like, believe in yourself and put the tools and systems in play that actionable deliverables to actually get the results.